Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. Today we discuss grammar portion, notice writing. Okay. Today we discuss in notice writing, that how we write a notice. Okay. So everyone open your fair notebook and start writing that how we write a notice. That format we discuss today. Notice. Okay. So first of all, always remember one thing. You all write notice in short. Means what is the meaning of notice writing? It means short composition. Notice writing means short composition. Clear? It means short composition. Okay. It means we write notice in short form, not in big form. Clear? Now, what we add means essential features of notice. First of all, write down the essential features of notice. Okay? That what we included in notice writing. Essential features. Write down. First is the purpose of organizing the charity show. Clear? The purpose of organizing the charity show. Clear? First of all, that purpose we write in notice writing. After that, what we write? The date, time of the show and day. Clear? First of all, purpose of organizing charity show we write. After that, time, date and day we write in column. Clear? Now next we write the venue. The venue in notice writing. The venue in notice writing. After that, about chief guest, that who will come, who will be as a chief guest. As a chief guest. Clear? Who will be as a chief guest. Clear? After that what we write? The date by which the names are to be submitted. Means the names by which the date of the names by which submitted. Clear? By which submitted means that names on which date submitted. Clear? After that, now write down 6 point write down whom the names are given to. हमको नेम किसको देने हैं? Whom the names are given to. हमको नेम किसको देने हैं? Clear? To whom we give the names. Clear? After that, the signature and designations of the person. The signature and designation of the person to whom we issue a notice. Means जिसको हम नोटिस दे रहे हैं उसका सिग्नेचर और डेजिग्नेशन भी यहां आएगा. क्लियर? पर्सन. ओके, राइट? नाउ लिसन, व्हेन वी राइट अ नोटिस, ये भी हमको पता होना चाहिए. सो फॉर which events we write a notice? So first of all, for cultural event we write. For sports event we write notice. किस किस चीज के लिए हम नोटिस देते हैं. ओके? What we give notice? So sports event. After that, meeting, a meeting. After that, last point is birth, marriage और death. इनके लिए भी हमें नोटिस मीन्स इनके लिए भी नोटिस दिया जाता है, बर्थ, मैरिज और डेथ एक्सेट्रा. क्लियर? सो दीज आर दी मीन्स these are the ways where means these are the problems there where we give a notice. Clear? So first of all we give for cultural event. आफ्टर मीन्स किस किस चीज के लिए नोटिस दिया जाता है, तो हम किस किस चीज के लिए देंगे, कल्चरल इवेंट के लिए देंगे, स्पोर्ट्स मीटिंग इवेंट के लिए देंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी गिव फॉर मीटिंग, नोटिस देते हैं मीटिंग के लिए भी. आफ्टर दैट बर्थ, मैरिज और डेथ, इनके लिए भी हम क्या करते हैं, नोटिस देते हैं. क्लियर? सो what we write in notice and when we give a notice, everyone I think clear. Okay, now next. Next, date also, right? Now next write down that how we write a notice, procedure of means performa of a notice. Clear? Always remember one thing, notice we always write in box. क्लियर? हम नोटिस हमेशा बॉक्स में लिखेंगे. क्लियर? एवरीवन नो दैट फर्स्ट पॉइंट आई टेल यू दैट फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज organization name or school name or anything else. Clear? So first of all here we write organization name. क्या लिखेंगे? Organization name, otherwise school name or anything else. Here we write school name or organization name. After that what we write, downside of this capital notice. नोटिस की स्पेलिंग आएगी एंड दैट इज इन कैपिटल. क्लियर? आफ्टर हेयर वी राइट डेट. व्हाट वी राइट? डेट. व्हाट वी राइट हेयर? डेट. क्लियर? नाउ आफ्टर दैट हेयर कंप्लीट कंटेंट, कंटेंट ऑफ नोटिस. बिटवीन में हम क्या लिखते हैं? कंटेंट ऑफ नोटिस. क्लियर? तो यहां हमारा सारा कंटेंट आ जाएगा. दैट फॉर व्हाट वी आर डिस्कस. हम किस किसके बारे में हम टॉकिंग कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? आफ्टर दैट कंटेंट ऑफ नोटिस, एट लास्ट वी राइट डेजिग्नेशन एंड सिग्नेचर. क्या लिखेंगे हम? डेजिग्नेशन और signature. So this is your right performa of writing a notice. Clear? ये आपका नोटिस लिखने का परफॉर्मा है. Here complete content का. Okay, that what matter can. So this is your performa of writing a notice. Now let us see one example of notice writing. Clear? So this you all make and understand carefully. Okay? Now listen, our question is, listen one question here given already, that given below is a notice about charity show to be organized in your school. Read it carefully and to understand how means for charity show we write a notice here. Clear? So everyone write down, make a box, write down your school name, Eklavya, or otherwise you write EIA, Eklavya International Academy. After that here write down notice. After that here write down today's date. Date is our 1st Feb 2021. Complete date you write. Okay? After that we start our notice. Okay? Notice is The cultural secretary of our school is organizing a is going to organize a charity show in aid of the organize a charity show in aid of the flood victims in aid of the flood victims of Bihar. The show will be held at 5 p.m. Clear? 5 p.m. on Wednesday, 3rd Feb 2021, in the school auditorium, Shri Jain, the education secretary has kindly consent consented to preside kindly contended to preside students interested in participating in the show should give their names to the undersigned in the break latest by on means 31 Jan 2021. After that, what you all do, here you write, what you all do, here you do, means you write XYZ your name. After that, here you do sign, and after that you write secretary कल्चरल सोसाइटी मीन्स कल्चरल सोसाइटी के सेक्रेटरी ने ये नोटिस सोसाइटी वालों को दिया है. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ राइटिंग नोटिस. सो एवरीवन नोट डाउन दिस नोटिस इन योर इंग्लिश ग्रामर नोटबुक. ओके, सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट फेयर वर्क एंड एवरीवन नोट डाउन दिस इन योर फेयर नोटबुक. ओके, दिस इज English grammar notebook. Okay, so this is your notice writing procedure. Okay, now everyone try to solve self. Okay, notice writing, you all try to solve self. So here one topic is over. Now in next we discuss in next class. Thank you and have a nice day.